took us, the two of us, and
What's that?
The black and white one looks like his name is Delta.
Delta?
And, oh, it looks like a little furry chick down there, isn't it? His name is Dancer. Dancer was admitted in 1993, missing his right wing. When excited, he flaps his remaining wing, causing him to dance in circles. Lily was admitted in 1995 as a 2-day-old nestling in extremely
Cooper
critical
Hawk.
condition. Oh, what is that?
It's a Cooper Hawk.
Cooper. Oh, yeah. That's Penrod. His name is Penrod.
Penrod?
Medium-sized accipiter is a common sight at home bird feeders
What
across
is
the country.
that?
I've never seen one by the feeders.
What is that?
Like a dead bird.
It might be a rat.
Piece of
A lizard has... Whoa, look at the lizard's neck. You see that lizard's neck?
No.
This one right here. His like neck comes out and it's like
Connor.
bright orange.
Trying to figure. They might feed it rats. Yeah.
now you see this?
Wow.
To me, this is mean.
They're rehab. They're in there because they're injured. Or else they'd be dead. This is what they do. She said they get 800 to 900 birds a year that have been injured
Really?
in some way, and they rehab them. This is the short-tailed hawk. It gives us. This is one of the smallest in Florida. His name is Newman. Adult 15 to 17 inches. The short-tailed hawk is seen in 2 color forms and is easily recognized. Newman was found hanging from barbed wire fence in Kissimmee, Florida in 2010. His injuries caused severe tissue and tendon damage to his right wing, making him non-releasable. After multiple surgeries at Winter Park Vet Hospital and special bandaging to encourage skin growth, he was placed without permanent birds.
They got a bird in the house.
Yeah.
So all these birds were brought in injured. Some are missing wings, some are missing. Look at that. And yes, I agree with you. I hate seeing birds in cages. Mary brought home these beautiful finches one time. I'm like, please take them back to the store or else I'm going to let them go. I'd rather see birds out by my feeder.
I let them go.
If you want to buy me, yeah, the lovebird. I said, if you want to buy me something as a gift, buy me a feeder outside so I can feed the birds.
They whatchamacall. I had another bird that landed on my head and just stayed there. He had gone to the pet store. So I bought a cage and everything. I brought it home, but it made such a filthy mess.
Yeah, around its cage. Look,
I just opened the door.
can you
and
see that one?
Really?
It's a crested caracara.
That's a weird name.
The name is Godiva. Godiva was rescued as a mature bird in Brevard County by a person on horseback in 2001. Godiva suffered from starvation, an old fracture of her right wing, and eye trauma and retinal detachment in the right eye, and effects of these injuries made her non-releasable. And there should be another one in there named Tex.
Yeah.
Yeah, I couldn't find it.
He's up there in the corner.
Way up.
No, right here.
Oh, no, that's a vulture here.
In the corner.
Oh, way up. You're right. Yeah, there it is. Way
Yeah.
up in the corner. Yeah,
They're pretty.
the vulture's here.
See that one, Mom?
Okay. Turkey vulture and black vulture.
Yeah, there's another one up in the corner.
Back.
Up here on top of the wood, you can barely see it.
Yeah, he's pretty camouflaged.
Yeah, he's all the way in the corner. And this one here X.
There's a black vulture right here.
2011. As an
Black
Yeah.
vultures are good because they clean up all the dead animals on the roads and things,
Oh.
and that's so it's good to have them. Even if they are a little ugly or scary, they're good to have around.
Yep.
Yeah.
They are ugly and scary looking though.
This is a black vulture here.
Especially the faces.
And
Yeah.
a gecko right there.
But they have a certain purpose. And I think some people forget that sometimes.
His name is Jeff.
Jeff.
Jeff was admitted to the Audubon in 1995 with a fractured left shoulder and right leg after being hit by a car. After her treatment, her flight was still limited and one leg is shorter than the other. After 13 years at the center, Jeff laid an egg. Yeah. That looks like a compost.
Wait, that was a female?
That's a compost bin. Oh, peregrine falcon. Her name is Amelia. See Amelia up there? Amelia was found badly injured on a cruise ship in the Atlantic during her first migration south in the fall of 2015. This young peregrine falcon was brought to shore in the Melbourne area and transported to Center for Care. She suffered from starvation and spinal trauma causing paralysis. With extensive treatment and rehab, she's been able to regain some of her movement, but remains permanently disabled and non-releasable. So their goal is to release them, but if they can't, then they...
I guess that's how big it is, like when it flies.
They have peregrine... They have peregrine falcons up on the Kodak building in Rochester. They have a camera on them. And it was like a big thing because they had eggs there. And everybody was watching the line.
Oh look, great horned owls to your right.
No, yeah, he's up there.
Oh,
Two,
no, back up.
there's two of them.
Looks like a statue. You're right.
No, there's two. Yep. Good job. Up there.
Come back one more.
Two of them up there.
Looks like one of them. See the other one over there? Looks like the things you put in your garden.
Yeah. These two before were fighting like crazy.
This Hallie and Tallulah. What's wrong with them? So big. Hallie was rescued as a 2-year-old in Sarasota in 2013. She was tangled in barbed wire and had tissue trauma, bone exposure, and had lost circulation in the tip of her right wing. She was transferred to the Center for Care, and it was determined partial wing amputation necessary. Eagles take 5 years to develop their mature plumage. Young eagles have a dark beak and brown eyes, which gradually turn yellow, and their brown head and tail feathers molt into white.
Watch, it won't fight with
Yeah, half his wing is missing.
Yeah.
Where'd you get that book?
At the front desk. She gave to us. It was part of our package.
Also, keep that?
Extra, no, you give it back after we're done. Tallulah, the female, was rescued by our staff in 2013. She was injured in a territory fight with another eagle in Deltona, Florida. She suffered many puncture wounds and a compound fracture of her metacarpals, requiring amputation at the root joint. She only has one leg. One of them only has one leg.
That's a big wingspan.
The wing was Hallie. Tallulah had an amputation by the wrist. Oh, pretty. That's a barred owl.
Yeah, see, look, it says, do you think they look like the bark of a tree? That's why it's called barred owl. Ooh.
Look at that tree. Oh, you can get to hear it. Oh, I was going to answer him too. That's how big they are. Those there. This is their wingspan.
Yeah, this is the nest.
Eagles are,
This is the nest of them.
and those
I guess some kind of
are
rock.
the size of their nest. Those eggs? Not real, I don't think.
No, they're not real. I touched one. If they were
Oh,
real.
now they're never gonna hatch.
Oh, okay. Well, if they weren't real. What? If they were real, they wouldn't let you touch them.
Oh, this is alright. It's alright, just look at it.
Look at that.
What is she about?
The eagle with the soccer ball.
Oh, that, eh?
This is American or soccer.
American soccer. He's probably on the bald eagle team of USA. What is that
What
down
did Ben
there?
Franklin want to make as the country's bird?
Let's see. The finch.
Wild
Some ki-
turkey.
Oh yeah. What's that in the water?
Where? Oh, yeah, one of those. Oh, I can't remember what they're called right now. There he is. His neck is up again. He's diving. Dive, dive, dive. It's the Loch Ness Monster.
Really is. What's down there?
Now in this town.
Did he drown?
He's down there a while.
Picture.
I wonder what else is down there. Oh, I think I know why they put the gate there. Because gators could come and,
Yep. The gator's over there.
yeah, on the other side. Grammy, we just saw a swimming,
Wow.
we just saw a swimming bird. Like, it was going like this. It was like the Loch Ness Monster. Yeah.
Topic is correct. Balloon.
It's a what?
Balloon.
A loon?